at Christmas is a great way of learning how to play a whole range of chords on the guitar, but it's also worth trying out on the piano, which I'll show you later. First of all, we're going to start off with the bass line, which really sort of underpins the whole thing. Let's have a look how to do it on the actual bass guitar. Now let's go for the melody. The first thing you need to remember is always put your first finger and third fingers in the right place on fret 1 and fret 3. If you find that a stretch, use the little finger instead for fret 3, but always try and spread your fingers across, because that's one of those problems for beginners, is to try not to just use one finger all the time. Let's really slow that down. So after the very first beat, which is the open G string, the third plastic string, we're straight into bar 1, which is 1, 1, 3, 1, 0. So remember I said really make sure those fingers are spread and ready, okay? If you find that hard, then use a little finger. Just practice that round and round until that feels nice and comfortable. Then middle finger on the G string, that's the third plastic string, fret 2. Okay, let's try that again. So okay. So when you practice that a few times, go on to the next one. So on the second string, the B string, fret 3, that's the note D, but let's just talk about it in terms of fret numbers of the tab. So fret 3. So I play the open E string after that, after 2 of the fret 3 on the B string, play the open E string. Then back, 3, 1. So let's play that bar 3 again. Keep those fingers nice and consistent, so they're just over the frets, as I keep saying. Fret 3 again, let's try that again. Open E, fret 3, fret 1, and now B string 3 times. So that's just your second plastic string, the B string 3 times. Okay, let's go on to the next line. So we've got open E string, again, really avoid just using one finger for this whole phrase. I want to see there's 2 fingers being used, either these 2 or these 2. Finger 1 and little finger, or finger 1 and third finger. So, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3. So rhythmically, in our rhythm, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now onto the next bar. Fret 1 of the B string, fret 2 of the G string, and then open G string twice. So practice that bar again. So again. One more time. And to finish off that phrase, we're going to go for those next 2 bars. So we go fret 2 of the G string, fret 3 of the B string, open B and fret 1 of the B string. Now notice we've got an open G string at the end of the line. That's basically starting again. We begin to repeat. We go back to the beginning. So that's the open G string, back to we, and then they're back to the double dots at the beginning, which is so we go back to the beginning, ignoring that very first small bar with the open G string. So we go back, straight back to look at the piano chords for this one. We've got C, which is C, E, G, then F, F, A, C, D, which is D, F sharp A, to G, G, B, D, E, which is E, G sharp B, to A minor, then F, G, C. Let's do that again. So we've got C chord to F chord, D major to G, E major to A minor, then F, G, C. Let's break up the chords like a little arpeggio. So C, E, G, then F, A, C, D chord, G chord, then E chord and A minor, G, C. Again, let's do it. So arpeggio. Da, 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 da. E major, da, A minor, F, G, C. Right, the guitar chords. So we've got a C to an F, then a D, then a G, E major to A minor, then F, G, C. Again, we've got a C chord to an F chord, D chord to G, E major to A minor, and F, G, C. You're probably wondering, what about the end bit, good tidings we bring? So let's have a look. We've got good tidings, so C, we bring G, then F, back to C, then C, da, 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 G, Happy New Year. That's F to C at the end, Happy New Year. So it's